Girl, that ain't do nothing. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Vlogmas. Oh my god, I just got oil all over me. As you guys can see, I'm doing some get ready with me things. I just waxed my eyebrows, so that's why they're all like red and poofy and violent. Yeah, what is up? This is definitely some like feel good self-maintenance. If you were wondering, like, I don't feel crap. Like, I don't feel, I can't explain it. I mean, I always feel so weird talking about my mental illness online because I feel like the first response that I'm gonna get is go see a doctor, get offline, take a break, blah blah blah. And it's just like, girl, this is why I don't talk. Like, oh, by the way, I'm using this. I found all this. I don't even remember where I got this from, but it's a suction mask for my nose because I get really bad blackheads on my nose and on my chin, and they don't be wanting to come out. So yeah. But I'm just gonna talk to you guys while I do this stuff. You guys know I'm not on no beauty guru-ish, so excuse me if I forget to like name a product or, you know, any of that jazz. But yeah, the holidays are like low-key kind of over for me right now because I just shipped everything out. Y'all will not guess how much it cost me to ship out my niece's box. I'm gonna show the box on the screen. I didn't know because I have a UPS suite that I get like discounts, girl, on the shipping. So it only cost me 30 bucks to ship that. And I'm over here thinking that it's going to cost like $100 or like $90 or something. At the least 60 bucks. Because I just took my grandma to the post office, and for like a small little box, they were trying to charge her $80 freaking. And honestly, truly, I think it's just because her shit weighed so much, because my box didn't weigh a lot. It was just big. Am I the only one? Does anyone else get like blackheads right here? And they're just like, well, I get whiteheads on my chin and blackheads on my nose. Like, my skin is really weird. It gets dry in the weirdest of places. It did not cost that much, thank God, because I was willing to drop it because, I mean, shit, we're here now, right? I was willing to drop the money or whatever, but I was like, damn, come on, Jesus. And what do you know? He came through for the girl. Oh my God, can this shit please come off my hand? Why do I look like I got frostbite? Help. Don't make fun of me, please. Okay, so while that's doing the thing, I'm about to wax my lip and my armpits. So if you guys are into waxing, I guess this is gonna be like a waxing ASMR. And yes, I'm in my bedroom. I saw this hack on TikTok where they said you could replace those individual things and then put like little hooks on them, and then like, it's a whole thing. I don't know. I'm thinking of doing it because I'm kind of tired of the Florida blinds. That's what I call them. So I'm using this thing I got off oh my God, I'm so mad. Y'all, don't buy stuff off TikTok until you figure out what the frick it actually is. So I saw this girl waxing her man's eyebrows with these, right? So I thought that these were wax strips. No, ma'am. These are just grip strips. I don't know how this is supposed to make anything better, but we're going to see. I'm going to use it on my upper lip. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to use it, but what I've been doing is I've been putting the wax like on the strip itself. And I did that on my eyebrows and it worked. So I'm going to do it on this one and see. But yeah, I really need to. Oh, and no shade for anybody that, you know, has body hair and doesn't do this. This is just what I like to do. I mean, this just makes me feel good. I don't know. It's weird. I was never one of those kids that like went to the nail salon with their mom and like got my nails done and shit too. Like I never got pampered, you know, so like this is just my thing. Damn, get off of me. So yeah, I'm scared shitless because I waxed my lip. You know, we got the Hispanic curse, girl. My body hair grows back so freaking fast. So I waxed my lip like, I want to say like a week ago, maybe a week and a half ago. And it should give me a pimple. Girl, that ain't do nothing. I look a mess. I need to get one of those makeup headbands. I just don't wear foundation like that, but when I'm doing my facial regimens and stuff, it'll be helpful. I need to get myself a little face mask. But yeah, I was never one of those girls. I was those girls that got jealous of the other girls that got the spa day at Justice. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. I used to be so jealous. I don't know. I guess I've just reached a whole new level of comfortable online, as you guys can see. Everything is so puffy and red. My eyebrows. Oh my god. And the charcoal still hasn't dried. Fuck. Okay. Ooh wee, that hurt. But I got it done. Oh wow, that was actually a good pull. What? We got some follicles. Let me know, do any of you guys have like a pimple popping guilty pleasure? I get so mad, like y'all always talking about, oh my god, your skin is so clear, your skin's so clear. I want to pop some shit. Like when I was a teenager and my skin wasn't the best, like, oh my god, you could not stop me from popping some shit. And I used to have scars like all over my face. I used to use, no cap, like full disclosure, I used to use like cream for my scars. Looking back as an adult, I'm pretty sure that had some form of bleach or something in it because it was not natural. But yeah, I used to have scars on my face because I used to love popping. TMI, but like sometimes I break out like on my shoulders and stuff and I can't help it. Like honestly, bro, I'm addicted. I should have went to school to be a dermatologist. Should have went to school to be like a dermatologist, an esthetician or something, so I could be all up in people's face and pop their pimples. My boyfriend does break out, but I don't like messing with his face, so I don't pop his pimples. And then when he does have pimples in other places, it's like so rare because his skin is like so nice on his butty, so he never gets, like, I'm the opposite. Like the skin on my face, back knee, check. Acne on my arm, check. Like acne on my, I might got a boob pimple one day, like bruh. So I mean, you might be thankful for one thing or you might hate one thing, but somebody else might like it, vice versa, right? Okay, I'm about to do these freaking armpits. Y'all beware. I really was on some I really don't care shit. I guess these are post-depression pits, I guess. Even then, I'm like really not crazy about shaving. Like I live in Florida, it's hot as fuck here. Like I really don't care. My man don't care. I don't care. Like I said, this is just what I do to make myself feel better. I'm also gonna do my nails. I deserve it. I wish I had a bigger thing of wax. I only got this little bit of wax. I need to buy more beads. Oh, Jesus. Y'all, I haven't waxed in like so long. I recently bought this razor that I saw off TikTok and it was a total bust. Like, I don't know. I'm just gonna stick with waxing and wax strips because just shaving of any kind just irritates my skin so much. Like, that's why I really just don't give a fuck about shaving and shit. Like, if I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. If I'm not, I'm not type thing. I mean, I'm a clean person. Like, bitch, I bathe. Like, but just as I got older, I just really started asking myself, like, who am I shaving for, girl? Like, a man? your husband? Like, bitch, who are you shaving for? If it's not for you, then for what? Like, what's the fucking point? This is painful. Like, why would you do this for... Child. Girl, anyway, I'm gonna wax these pits and then I'm gonna be back to do the reveal for this, because I don't think waxing pits is that entertaining. I'm not that squirmish. Like, this is honestly the least sensitive part of my whole body, is doing my pits. Now, Miss Mamas, that's a sensitive girl. Okay, the time has come. The eyebrows, the armpits are done. So now we're gonna take this thing off for any of my people that are into this type of thing. Oh my god, you could see the whiteheads. So, all right, I'm just gonna. Ew. Ew. That one was a little bit more nasty. Not gonna lie. Got a lot more out with that one. That was gross. My nose, you could kind of see my nose is like so dry. Shout out to my mom's side of the family. Like, everyone on my mom's side of the family has dry ass freaking noses. Thanks, girl. Thanks, y'all. So I'm about to put on this turmeric mask. It's like a 2-step mask. This is my first time trying it. I just have like a little collection of face peel masks down here, and see, and like what I like, I keep. I try different stuff out. My skin is pretty sensitive, so I can't do the most, but usually if it's simple ingredients, it works. But I have to get all this crap off of my face, and I'm not putting on any makeup today. I'm literally about to just put this mask on, put some baby hairs out for this hairstyle, and yeah, I'm just about to be natural today. Like,